Conventional wisdom tells us that we should all have 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up in case of an emergency. Wouldn't that be nice? The reality is, some of us are living month to month without the luxury of having extra money to put into a savings account. We do our best to provide for our family and meet their needs. But sometimes our best efforts get derailed by an illness or accident that forces us to stop what we're doing, including working. And if we're not working, we're not earning a paycheck. With Assurity, you can protect yourself when there's no income coming in. Assurity will send a check directly to you to help make up for lost wages, so you can pay for things like the mortgage, childcare, groceries, and any other ongoing expenses. Think of group short-term disability income insurance from Assurity as a modern-day, real-world safety net. At Assurity, we help people through difficult times.